In this video, I'm going to help you out to understand what is business automation and how you can build business automation systems using n8n. In this video is going to be a series of the things where I'm going to share you a lot of things that you can automate on your daily basis. So let's get started and firstly understand what is the business automation. So business automation, before understanding it, let me put myself in the corner of this video so that you can see me and see the screen as well. So business automation is something like every business have the task and have something that they have to do in a repetitive basis. So automation is something that you can automate the repetitive task. But here is the thing. With the AI, you can automate many things that requires the human intervention. And now without any human intervention, you can do much more things with the AI. While doing this, you can save time as well as energy. And when you are using computers in the place of human beings, you also reduces the errors and increase the efficiency because it doesn't require any kind of issues that humans have. For example, the lack of procrastination, the consistency issue, the mindset issue, the mood issue, the biased issue, and a lot of things that humans have. And the fourth thing is the focus on the right things, because computers are not biased, so they do not think on their own, so they do the things that actually requires. And while doing this, you have to have some tools that can allows you to build this system. And today I'm going to share you the system that is called n8n, which helps you to connect application. And it is something that do not require any coding kind of things for you. It is something that you can directly start, drag and drop the workflows, and automate whatever you want to do, right? So real time examples, for example, you can have automate your own bracelet business. For example, you have to do too many emails, you have to update inventory, you have to alert the teams when something happens. You can build these kind of simple systems using no code tool with ease and without spending too much time in coding, developing and deploying the stuffs, right? So here's the list how you can build the systems. There are only simple 4-step process. First, you choose the trigger, when the flow is going to start, when the things are going to happen. Think about something that is really needed to get started. For example, it is going to happen every day. It is going to happen when I click this button. It is going to happen when someone fills out the forms. It is going to happen when users send me the SMS or something like that. And then you choose the actions. You choose the action, like example, when I have I receive a message, I'm going to take the message and respond using the AI. I can choose the system. And for this, I can connect more loops over it. I can connect more application using n8n, and just simply I can run this, and this system is directly going to handle all the situation that I have figured out and I have automated. This is such a simple thing. n8n is not a single tool. There are too many tools like Zapier, there are Pabbly, there you can say make.com and other kind of tools also. n8n is simple because it is an open source platform. And what is the open source? I'm going to tell you exactly. So let me take you to the n8n website. n8n is something that, this is not something sponsored video. This is something I genuinely use for myself. So you can see the pricing as well. It is going to you can use like you have the $20 starter plan. So don't get confused with this pricing, because they n8n is also having their open source model. So you can click on this GitHub button and you can see this is the whole lot of code of the whole you can say the system that you can use on your own system. For building your own system, you can deploy on your own. If you have some coding skills and if you have any team that can deploy for you, you can use this with ease without spending too much money on the automation systems, right? This is the main reason why I am choosing n8n over the other platforms. But to get started, if you don't have the coding skills, you can just start with their you can say the cloud systems, cloud infrastructures, and you can see the simple taste of the things. Like here they have created a simple workflow for creating this kind of automation system, right? So what are the important things that you have to keep in mind while creating these kind of automation? So I would say, for creating any kind of automation, you have to have the simple things to in mind. What are the workflow? What are the user story? What are the things that you wanted to what are the things that you wanted to add? So if you have some few clear things in your mind, you can easily automate most of the things that are needed in our workflow system. So yeah, that is it in this video. In the next video, I'm going to tell you how you can build your own n8n system while using the open API or any kind of agent system that you can use to build and sell to the clients. Okay, thank you.